Vivo just launched the new V60 Lite 5G, and it seems like light isn't really quite the right adjective for this budget flagship. First, let's talk about how it looks. It has a really flagship feel, really simple and really cool. I love this pop pink color, it really does pop. If pink makes you go, ew, then the phone does come in neutral colors too. There's also a transparent, kind of futuristic looking camera module design on the back, and a slick flat screen design on the front, which I think would make watching movies on this just better. As far as budget phone goes, the Vivo V60 Lite 5G is kind of on the thicker side. In my hands, it feels sturdy and there's a reassuring grip that doesn't make me feel like the phone's gonna slip out of my hand. Then there's the display. Watching movies on this phone feels super immersive because of the large 6.77-inch AMOLED display. And playing HDR+10 videos feels sharp and smooth, making it feel as though things are really popping off the screen. Pair that with 400% dual stereo speakers and suddenly horror movie jump scares really jump out at you. Honestly, it almost feels like you're using a dedicated Bluetooth speaker because that jump scare was loud. Even outdoors, it's really easy to see the screen and browsing through the phone feels really smooth. The Vivo V60 Lite 5G comes with a generous 12GB RAM and 512GB storage configuration, so plenty of space for your games and movies. The MediaTek 7360 chip delivers on performance. We had no lag in gaming. I was playing COD Mobile with the graphics set on high too. Graphics were crisp and gameplay was smooth, no frame skipping, any of that. This phone is tough. It's got a 5-star drop resistance. It can handle any kind of surface, be it wood or marble flooring. For a light phone, it's pretty insane that it can handle all that. It comes with a 6500 mAh Blue Volt battery with 90 watts flash charge. On 100%, this phone is meant to go on for 12 hours of continuous COD Mobile and Mobile Legend gameplay, or an impressive 27.5 hours of YouTube video streaming. For us, we noticed that the battery barely budged after about 17 minutes of COD Mobile. It didn't even heat up, and bypass charging, as I've learned, helps keep the phone cool so you can game and charge at the same time. Vivo also has a battery health optimizing technology that helps stretch the phone's lifespan even after 5 years of daily use. Less money spent on a new phone. Let's go! Now for the camera. There's a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 main camera, an 8-megapixel wide angle, and a 32-megapixel HD selfie camera. I love taking street photography with this phone because the photos turned out really great. It keeps the details and the colors vibrant, just the way I like it. The wide angle lens was really nice too. I like that it doesn't have that weird distortion on the side. Plus, the AI Master Aura Light Portrait adjusts the lighting for you so skin tones look natural. Then you have the creative features. I really like vintage shot mode because it gives the feeling of an old school film camera. You can even customize the color of the photographic paper to your liking. My favorite feature though that really caught me off guard is the AI 4-season portrait, which I think is a really cool way to imagine your surroundings in different seasons. You take a picture and with the help of AI, you can give a local street a spring or winter makeover. The results are pretty impressive, especially when you're taking outdoor photos. And while we're on AI, I think there are some AI tools that I think are worth mentioning. The phone identifies spam and scam calls for you, so you can just block them, and there's a real-time AI call transcribing feature. You even have Gemini to help you manage schedules, summarize info, or even get directions. The Vivo V60 Lite 5G doesn't do its job lightly. It can handle the occasional slips and scrapes, backed up by an all-day battery life, clear as day display, and a versatile camera with creative AI tools. But I'm curious, what feature matters most to you, given that it's a more affordable device? Do you need impressive AI or a battery that can last you a whole day? Let us know in the comments, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the flip-flop.